Hi, I am Purva and welcome to my channel Purva Chordia Fitness. In this video, I am going to show you workout for your arms where you will not need any equipment. So without any ado, let's just get straight into the video. So the first workout is side arm raises. We will start with simple workout. So it will also be a warm up for your arms. For this, you have to simply raise your arms above in the sky. Make sure your both the arms are parallel to each other and then get back to the position. Raise up, high, down, up, parallel and down. So after few repetitions, you will start feeling the burn in your arms. You will feel burn in your shoulders. Keep going. You will be doing this for 1 minute. Raise high without bending your elbows. Straight. You will feel the burn in the shoulder and you will feel your upper back a little. After this workout, take a rest for 45 seconds. Now get prepared for next exercise, that is arm circles. For arm circles, place your arms parallel to the ground and perpendicular to your body without bending your elbows and rotate your arms clockwise. Then hold up till 10 counts, and after this you will be doing counterclockwise. Rotate, come on, take a full circle, no shortcuts. Again, come on. Are you feeling the burn in the arms? Yes, you are. Hold for 10 counts. Again, after this, 45 seconds of rest. For the third workout, we are going to do front arm raises. For front arm raises, bring your arms in front of you and then raise them up in the sky. Then again bring them back and continue doing this. While doing this, make sure you hold your arms for 1 microsecond and then go up. While you go up, hold and down. So there is a 90-degree movement in your arms. You will feel the burn in your shoulders, your biceps, your whole arm basically. This is very simple but killer workout. You will be doing this for 1 minute and then after that you will be taking 45 seconds of rest. So guys, all this workout you are going to do once, and then after that you are going to take 3 minutes of rest, and then again you will be repeating the circuit. So I am going to show you only one circuit, but you are going to do it thrice. So this is going to be the killer one. After only one circuit, my arms were so sore. For the next workout, we are going to increase the level of intensity. We are going to do push-ups for strengthening our arms and toning our arms. Start with the plank position with the arms wider than shoulder width apart and then go completely down and then rise up again and down. You will feel that burn in your arms. Come on. You will be doing 50 repetitions of this and take 45 seconds of break. So after this, we are going to do workout, particularly focusing on our tricep, that is tricep push-up. For this you need a box or maybe a bench or a stable chair, and then go down. Make a 90-degree of angle in your arms and then rise up again. You can bend your knees or maybe not, it's your choice. Important thing is to focus on your arms, the form of your arms. Come on. Done. Share and also subscribe my channel for motivating me. You can also let me know in the comment box which video you would like to see next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Till then, stay fit and stay happy.